What is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV drive, and today I had to go get a new serpentine belt and the tensioner because my belt is currently about to snap. And the whole reason I even checked it, bro, is because my AC went out yesterday. Like, dude, it was blowing hot air. I didn't know what was going on, but I looked under the hood. My serpentine belt is literally about to snap. Like, it's barely holding on, bro. So got a quick little POV. I'm gonna get my car washed, get a lot of maintenance to my car. I got some new wheels coming. Well, no, I got a lot of maintenance going on with the car right now, so I'm gonna be doing tires. I'm probably gonna get like some more aggressive tire, like aggressive style tires, like my last ones was. And then I'm about to fix the serpentine belt. I'm gonna wash the car, clean it up, and then we're gonna do some exhaust work. And we're gonna be back. We're gonna figure out this tint situation because I'm getting some more tint on this car, bro. I can't do the no tint. Like, look how dirty my windshield is, bro. Absolutely disgusting. I need to get some new windshield wipers. We got a lot going on. Yeah, I went to AutoZone out of all places. They a little expensive, but like, dude, I'm not really worried about that. I'm just worried about getting this belt fixed. I was gonna film a POV yesterday for y'all, but I went to Hampton and, bro, I'm telling you, bro, my AC went out. Dude, I'm not filming no POV. It's like 90 degrees outside, boiling. For me, I'm kind of used to it a little bit, like riding with the windows down, no AC on, but I don't know. Yesterday it was too hot for that. I had the windows down, but every time I was getting like a phone call, dude, I gotta let the windows up, and I can't. I'm sweating, busting bullets, bro. Like, I couldn't do it. It was death. That was death row. I also had a night POV cooked up already, like the video already made, but I don't know how y'all feel about the night POVs. I feel like they don't really do that good. So that's why I usually do it's more daytime POVs than anything. But if I can figure out my camera settings for like the night POVs, I definitely would do them. But like, I probably got to get some light or something. Cause I can definitely make the videos better. But y'all definitely let me know, like, if y'all want me to film some night POVs. I'm gonna try to buy a little light, camera light, and I'm gonna try to execute those night POVs. But if I get the camera light and it still is not up to par, it doesn't look good, then we're gonna figure out something else. I just don't know about, like, you know, driving and then like I got like a light shining through my windshield and a cop pulls me over or something. Like, can a cop pull me over for that, or is it gonna be cool? Because if it's cool, I'll definitely do it. But bro, you know how these cops are, bro. They like to munch. They like to munch on any little thing, bro. Next video, I'm gonna test out the like maybe some lighter pops for y'all. I have pops, but my pops is a little loud. Like, I don't know how loud it is on camera, but it might. I think it's like 1 or 2 pops, so it's not OD. But I know for some people it do get annoying, so I don't want to like have the whole video just pop, 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 pop. What was happening just now? Did this dude just slow down for no reason? Oh no, it's a car in front of him. I was about to say. Yo, I don't know life without AC in the car, bro, but sheesh. Man, I'll never ever want to experience that again, bro. That was deadly. The only thing I couldn't get OEM was the tensioner. Hopefully it's not that big of a deal. It got 3-year warranty on it, so if something happens to it, I gotta replace both anyway. So if something happens to either one of them, they both gotta get replaced. So this is what I heard. I don't really know how true that is, but I heard when you replace one of them, the other one gotta also get replaced. They both gotta be brand new. So easy little install, nothing too crazy. I kind of got used to like recording with people around, so it don't really bother me too much anymore. But now I'm fishbowl, bro. I'm fishbowl. Dude, he definitely ran that red light, bro. I'm so mad about that front windshield tint, bro. Y'all probably gonna hear me talk about that every video, bro. I'm so blown. Like, I would have been cool with just getting a ticket, but dude, bro told me to peel it off. I'm like, wow. Or he gonna tow my car. I'm like, wow, bro. I'm peeling it off before a tow any day. My car about to get some tender love and care for these next couple of days. So hey, rims coming soon, man. I've been seeing that for the longest, but I did get some rims, bro. And my Jones got boot game. I did. I don't know if y'all been watching some of the videos in the past. If y'all seen the all black rims that I had, do y'all think I should try to go all black again? Or should I go with like some chrome? Or should I go with the, you know, them bronze rims? It's kind of saturated, but I mean, I like a chill, like neutral look. I don't really like flash pop out. Like I like dark vibes. So should I go with a dark set of rims or should I go with some chromes? And would the chromes look better? Would the chromes look better than the all blacks that I had? About to cook up this video after I go to the gym. I'm gonna drop this video on Thursday for y'all. Y'all gonna see this video on Thursday. My new schedule is gonna be Thursdays and Sundays. I got y'all with a video. So stay tuned, bro. I'm gonna stick to my schedule as best as I can. And I'm gonna try to feed y'all these quality videos. If you watched the video this far, drop a blue heart down below. If you didn't, that's cool. I still got your view. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know. Give me some feedback what y'all want to see, what you want me to do differently. If it's something I can improve on, that would be greatly appreciated. And other than that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.